Hey, Max. Hey, man. Are you trying to go back to sleep again? Are you smiling? Are you smiling at your mom? Huh? Are you smiling at your mama? Huh? Are you smiling at your mama, Max? Yeah. You see your outfit you got on? Ah, look at you. You smiling at your mama. Barely got your eyes open. You say, I love my mom and dad. That's what your outfit says. Yeah, yeah. That's my baby. That's my boy. That's right. That's a happy Max. That's a happy Max. Yeah. Look at him. Look at him. He got his Heisman pose. You see, y'all saw his Heisman pose, right? Yeah, I saw that Heisman pose, baby. I saw it. All right, let's go to daycare. Love you, Daddy. Bye.